Hello friends, welcome to our channel Asa Creations. Today I am planning to make a centerpiece for fall. For this centerpiece, I am using this pumpkin. I will paint this pumpkin with black acrylic paint and add some stones. This is very easy to make and your friends and family will admire your talent. For this beautiful centerpiece, you need a good size pumpkin, black acrylic paint, gold acrylic paint, Almer clear glue, or you can use any glue. I have two kinds of decorative craft stones, orange and clear one. Actually, they are stained glass pieces in different shapes. I got them from the dollar store. I'm not sure which one I will use, or maybe I will use both. But you can use any stones you have handy. You also need brushes and plate for paint and water to thin paint and clean brushes. First, I will paint the pumpkin in black color. You need two coats or one thick coat. I'm doing thick coat. After drying, I will see if I need one more coat or not. See, this is so easy to do that you also can engage your kids and keep them busy. When you are painting this pumpkin, make sure to cover grooves too. It looks like one coat will be enough, but I will see when this coat will dry. Cover all spots and let the pumpkin dry. And if you are in rush, you can use dryer. When paint is dry on top, paint the bottom part. So now I'm painting the bottom. See, I have no patience, so I'm drying the paint with the dryer. So now make lines with golden color. Try to make the lines as smooth as you can. Sometime you have to go over again on these lines. Now decorate the pumpkin with stones. I have stones with different shapes, but you can use whatever you have handy. Take one stone at a time and apply glue on the flat side and stick on the pumpkin. You can stick them in a pattern or stick them randomly. As I mentioned before, you can involve your kids. Here, my husband wants to help me. He offered to apply glue on stones. So hopefully I can do it faster. We realized that it's more better to put the glue on pumpkin wherever we wanna stick our stone than putting the glue on stone. So now we are putting the glue on pumpkin. Hey, here is the teamwork. So see, we can do it faster now. If you have too much glue on stones, sometimes they slide down. Just move them back wherever you want. See, your beautiful fall decoration piece is ready. It's so easy to make and really look good. You can also use it for Halloween decoration. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's project. If you like our channel, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks again.